The South Korean economy posted moderate growth in the second quarter, but concerns linger about the strength of the economy, with GDP growth remaining stubbornly under 1%. Kim Min-ji has the details.
Korea's economic growth rate has been in the 0% range for 3 straight quarters now, fueling concerns the country may be falling into a low growth trap. The Bank of Korea says the country's GDP rose 0.8% in the April to June period from the previous quarter. Modest but better than the first quarter, which saw growth of just 0.5%.
Second quarter growth was mainly led by a rise in private consumption. Spending contributed 1.2 percentage points to GDP growth, turning around from negative 0.2 percentage points in the first quarter.
In fact, private consumption was up 1% on quarter. That's in stark contrast to the first 3 months of the year when spending had dropped 0.2%. Investment in construction jumped more than 3%, while facilities investment was up 2.8%. But the country's growth rate down the line is murky. The uncertainties ahead include a possible interest rate hike in the U.S. and the government's ongoing corporate restructuring drive. The Bank of Korea expects the economy to grow 2.7% this year, down 0.1 of a percentage point from its earlier forecast made in April. To prop up the economy, the central bank has kept its key rate at a record low of 1.25% since June, while the government has also drawn up an aggressive stimulus package worth roughly $10 billion. But some analysts say those efforts may be cancelled out to a degree by delays in the implementation of the stimulus and the country slowing exports. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.